How to add bullets and numbers in MS Word. In MS Word, you can easily create bullets and numbers. Several bulleting and numbering styles are available. First, type the list. Select the word. In paragraph group, click down arrow next to the bullet button. The bullet library appears. Click to select the type of bullet you want to use. In paragraph group, click down arrow next to the numbering button. The numbering library appears. Click to select the type of numbering you want to use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.